Okay, so we have an important notice out of the DTC. I think this is hilarious. This came out January 25th, 2022. Settlement operations to all DTCC participants, pledgees, and settling banks. Subject money market instrument. Issuer failure. The government of Quebec. DTC has received notification from Deutsche Bank Trust Company, Americas, number 1503, the MMI issuing paying agent for the government of Quebec. Base issuer QSIP, okay, blah, 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 that Deutsche Bank Trust Company Americas refuses to pay maturity presentments for this issuer's corporate commercial paper that are due and payable through DTC. So they're refusing to pay maturity presentments for this issuer's corporate commercial paper that are due and payable through the DTC. Therefore, jail time, right? Nah, in accordance with DTC's rules and procedures, the issuer's maturity presentments will not be completed today. So, because they do not want to pay, or because they're not paying, or refusing to pay, based on the rules, no worries. We're not gonna do that today. What the fuck is wrong with these people? I mean, come on, man.